God, Natalia.
Okay, so you are.
It's
I'm
too
filming.
confusing.
I'm filming you. So okay, so this is all the parts we're unboxing. This is gonna be under counter. What else we have? All the types. Here's the panel, communication panel, and
Oh,
sticker
here's your
goes with.
tea.
Oh, it comes with everything. Okay, so even tea. See, let's see here. That's how we situate it. It comes with instruction. This is how we situate it. Machine goes right here. There is plenty of space under counter. What already we checked out here, we have a special tray. I forgot how it called on instruction, but here also explains why we need here this tray. We need it only when we change our filter, so it doesn't have any leak. Okay, so what else? Everything is very self-explanatory, but we need to have a plumber, right? Plumber, and we need to have electricity.